project this month, I plan to create an application that's designed around the weather. So I have my wireframes over here. It was a little challenging finding a list of open APIs or even just free ones, period. Um, the weather one did seem to have more information and data available, so I went with weather. I'm still having issues coming up with more screens to display other than these two. Do have to put a little bit more thought into that. But as far as the home screen goes, I have a little search bar right here so you can search for a city. Once you hit submit, it will take you to this screen and it will show you the information for the current weather for that city. It will also display 6 individual cities right here that will act as buttons, and once you click on each one of those, it will also take you to this screen. It will then display the data here. I'm using the current weather data API. I do have, so here's the data that is within that API. So I was able to pull a lot of that out, and that's what I'm getting right here. Some of the challenges I think I'll be facing is probably setting up routes. I try to do a little bit, but I have not been able to get that. So I'm basically going to use routes for all of these cards that will take you to this screen. As far as my components for my wireframes here, of course I'm going to have my button components, my header components. Each of these are going to act as a card, so they're going to each be their own component as well. Like I said earlier, I do need to put a little bit more thought into what else I can do with this data to be able to create an application that does more than what this does.